Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Placentia local and long-distance movers near me. With the right long-distance movers, you get a team ready to help you on moving day. We help load up all your things, transport them, and unload them for you. Whether you're going 100 miles or 2,500 miles, we offer just what you need. Along with the basic moving services, we also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company for your local move can easily be rationalized. The benefits you gain will help ensure you get to your new location faster and easier. Our team will move you quickly and efficiently. Whether you don't have the time to move or you don't want to do the heavy lifting, we are here to help. 3 Movers will streamline moving day for you. Whether you're just going down the road or all the way across the city, we can make it happen faster. Our team can complete even a larger move in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Placentia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.